Blood cell counters or cell counters are responsible for counting and determining the type of blood cells. There are three groups of blood cells in human blood. These include the white blood cells that are responsible for the immune system, the red blood cells that are responsible for oxygenating, and the last category of platelets, which are responsible for the coagulation system and prevent bleeding. Also, some of these devices are capable of measuring hemoglobin, hematocrit, the morphology of red blood cells, and a small number of them are able to differential counting of white blood cells. The RBC count shows the number of red blood cells in a microliter of blood. Another parameter is HCT, which expresses the volume of blood cells relative to the total blood volume of the sample. There is hemoglobin inside the red blood cells, which combines with the oxygen in the lungs, transfers them to the tissue, and in return combines with the carbon dioxide in the tissues and removes it from the body through the lungs. Standard equations have been used to determine MCV, MCH, and MCHC, which provide information about red blood cell characteristic and the concentration of hemoglobin and the size of red blood cells. MCV is the average volume of red blood cells. MCH shows the average weight of hemoglobin in a red cell, and MCHC represents the average concentration of hemoglobin in a red cell. Operation principles of the device. The electronic cell counters that measure blood characteristics are divided into two main groups. The first group measures the change in the electrical impedance of the solution when the blood passes in front of a hole, and the second group based on the light refraction due to the blood cells. All users of cell counters should consider the principles that lead to the operation of the device, and some of them below. Observe things such as turning on and off the device, checking pressure levels according to the device type, have to maintain and washing daily, weekly, and monthly, necessary repairs, replacement of solutions and other actions in accordance with manufacturer's instructions, training course on how to operate the device, and the principles of maintenance under the auspices of the backing company experts. Relevant records, including the date and description of the training course certificate, should be kept in each user's file, and any necessary instructions should be considered when the user is changed.